So I titled this video, Solving an Interesting Rational Equation, and now you might be wondering, why is this equation interesting? Because we can just cross multiply and get a regular quadratic equation and we go from there. Yes, I will show you guys that way later, because now I want to show you guys the interesting way first. Have a look. Let's go ahead and split the fraction, so we will have x squared over x, which is just x, and then 1 over x. And then for 10 over 3, just do 10 divided by 3. We get 3 with the remainder 1, which we can write this as 3 and 1/3, meaning 3 plus 1/3. Now, this is actually really cool because we can see that x and 3, they match, and then this x matches with this 3. So that suggests us x has to be 3, right? True that, however, this is only one of the solutions, because we could also have done the following. So sometimes if you do this, you have to be extra careful, because if this function right here is not 1-to-1, then this is not enough. I know I should have opened the cap earlier. But anyways, because this right here, it's the same as saying 1 over x plus x equals, I keep the 3 plus 1/3. Now, I'm going to match this whole thing with that, and then match this with this thing. So it suggests us that x is equal to 1/3. And does it work? Yes, if you put 1/3 into here, 1 over 1/3, you do the reciprocal, you will end up with 3, which that matches with this. So as you can see, the other answer is x is equal to 1/3. And I thought that was pretty cool, pretty neat. But the dangerous part is, of course, make sure that you notice this right here is not enough. For more ideas on one-to-one function, that way you can just match and then just say what the answer is, you can check out my other video. I have explanation for that. Now, of course, let's do it the regular way. X squared plus 1 over x is equal to 10 over 3. For this, do not write this as a mixed number. You want to keep it with a fraction. And you can just cross multiply. So 3 times that, it's equal to 10x. And then that's 3x squared plus 3 equals 10x. Move this to the other side. It becomes a minus 10x and then plus 3. And then we do the tic-tac-toe factoring. Tic-tac-toe. Let's do 3x and x. And let's do minus 1 and minus 3. Negative 1, negative 3 like this. It works, because this times this is negative 9x. This times this is negative x. Together, we do end up with negative 10x. So that works. So 3x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. This factor, make that equal 0, you get x is equal to 1/3. Making this factor equal 0, and we will get x equal 3. And we have these two answers, just like that. I thought that was pretty cool. That's it.